the same station your mother started working. Right here.
Yeah, I miss her.
Yeah? Now you're working.
I want her to continue working. It's like mother's like daughter.
Yeah? Alright. Show me what you got, girl. Package that. How long you been working at Barrio?
Since I've been working at Barrio for 5 years.
5, since you were like 2?
Yeah. Because I wasn't old enough when I was a newborn, I couldn't say 7 years.
But you've been hanging out at Barrio. Right here. This is
And
where
I've been hanging out
you've been
at
hanging out in
Barrio.
that corner.
I've been hanging out at Barrio for actually 7 years. But only
Longer, because those 9 months you were inside your mommy's belly, you were there working that kitchen right there. So you were dancing right there.
I used to dance.
Yeah, inside your mommy's. It's a ballet inside the kitchen. And you were in the ballet of the kitchen. Okay. Right, no.
There's strawberries in here, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I think they're down here. Yeah, they're down there somewhere. If not, they might be in the other refrigerator.
Over here.
Okay.
What other refrigerator?
They'd be on the left if they are there. If not, they're in the walk-in, but... How about pomegranates? No? You want strawberries?
I'll have strawberries.
Okay, hold on. You're gonna lock yourself out if you don't do it right.
I'm already good with knives. I've been.
Right.
No cut, just a scratch. I'll put them in
That's enough. You need all that by yourself.
here.
Take this home, okay? Okay, you gotta clean up your mess.
Wait. Hold on. Finishing touch. Take this off.
Waste not. Oh, I do believe we have a future chef. Is that what you want to do when you grow up?
Yeah.
Be a chef?
Yeah. I'm gonna make you proud because when I'm a grown up, you'll be living in Mexico, but from this angle, you can see me anywhere. Yes, from the heart.
Oh, it's
I'll
from
make
the
you proud.
You make me proud now. Look at you. But I believe you'll make me proud. Always.
Will.
Always. Did I make you proud? You proud of what I did? You think I did a good job?
You made me a chef, and so did Mommy.
That's right.
My family made me chefs.
Because we come from 800 years. That's right. All right. Let's do this.